Why is it always dividing and giving us a whole number? Or will it always give us a whole number?
Because
oh wait, no, it's never.
Oh, unless it could give us a whole number, unless it's like the number is like 1. Oh no, well,
It was
even if it was 1 over 1, it wouldn't matter. Like if the number, for instance, like 20. Let's just go back to the 20 over 1 thing. Since it's 20 over 1 and we're multiplying 20 over 1 times a over -4, the denominator is not going to change. The denominator is just going to stay the same. But the top number, which is going to change, therefore making it bigger.
able to
grow.
And if it's a multiple of 4 though, you can sort of like if you think about it, fractions are like groups of something, and 20.
well, fractions
Fourths?
are parts of groups.
Like if you think about it, there's 5 groups of 4 in 20, and so if you have a multiple of the denominator, you can always fit it in evenly.
Building
Oh,
off
yeah.
what Gus said, yeah, it's gonna the denominator is gonna stay the same, but because the top is gonna stay the same, you can simplify it even more because only the top changes, and you can't do that any time else.
Well,
Only
wait,
change
can you repeat
one.
the last part?
Were we simplifying even more?
You're simplifying the fraction even more because the bottom stays the same, but because the top changes, you can simplify it more because you're automatically making 5a. You're making a.
Pretty much a whole number. Well, it already
What's the word? You're making
a fraction.
a multiple of the denominator, and the denominator is staying the same.
So,
So,
a
yeah.
is becoming a multiple of the denominator?
Yeah, because 5 is a multiple.
It may not
20.
always be like that. What if it's times 15? 4 doesn't go into 15.
Wait, no,
But
it
you
has to be a
wouldn't put that.
multiple of 4.
You wouldn't put that up there. Like the whole thing is that in the problem, we're trying to get rid of the fractions. So you wouldn't put 15 up there. You would put a multiple of the denominator, and you would put that because then you can simplify it when you can simplify it evenly when you to being a whole number when you get it into fractions.
Yeah, right. So I think but the thing is it always